Which of the transitions in hydrogen atoms emits a photon of lowest frequency? N is equal to quantum number. So now in this question they are asking the combination which gives us lowest frequency, right? Lowest frequency, that means F minimum, which is equivalent to lambda maximum, because we know that V is equal to n lambda or F lambda. So simply F will be is equal to V upon lambda. So F is proportional to 1 upon lambda. So that means if frequency is minimum at certain point, then lambda has to be maximum. So we have to find that combination where lambda should be maximum. So now we have our formula. So formula says 1 upon lambda is equal to R into 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Perfect. So if this formula is there, now I need to see the combination. So first combination says n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to 2. So if I utilize that one, so I am taking this lambda 1, which is equal to R into 1 upon n1 square, which is 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon 2 square, which says R into 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 4. So 1 upon lambda 1 is equal to R into, this will be 1 minus 1 by 4. So 4 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 R, or else I can say lambda 1 is equal to 4 divided by 3R. So that's how we got lambda 1. Now take the second combination, which says n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is equal to 4. So I can apply 1 upon lambda 2 is equal to R into 1 upon n1 square 3 square minus 1 upon n2 square 4 square. So that is going to be R into 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 16, which will give us 9 into 16, 16 minus 9, which says 7R divided by 9 into 16. Okay, so lambda 2 will be 144 upon 7R. Correct. So this is our value of lambda 2. Now taking for the third combination. Third combination is n1 is equal to 1 and 2 is equal to 3. So I can apply 1 upon lambda 3 is equal to R into 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon 3 square, which gives us R into 1 minus 1 upon 9. So this will be 8R by 9. From there, lambda 3 is going to be how much? 9 by 8R. Okay. So this is our lambda 3. Now for lambda 4, let me remove this thing. Okay. So if I remove these points, so I can apply for fourth combination, which is n equal to 4 to n equal to 2. So here n2 is equal to 4, n1 is equal to 2. So that will give us 1 upon lambda 4 is equal to R into 1 upon n1 square 2 square minus 1 upon 4 square, which says R 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 16. Right. So this can be written as R into, this will be 16, this will be 4 minus 1 or 3. So I get the value of lambda 4 will be is equal to 16 by 3R. So now R is obviously common in each and every lambda. So now we just have to see the ratio of this value. First value 4 by 3, 14 by 7. This is 144 by 7, 9 by 8 and 8 by 9. Correct. So we are pretty clear that 144 by 7 is the greatest value. So let me write it here. I figured out that lambda 2 is equal to 144 by 16, 144 by 7R will be our lambda max in case. So that means that would represent the F minimum as well as. So that means combination number 2 is right answer for us. Okay, so 2 is the right choice.